guys, welcome back to my subscription obsession. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscription boxes out there, some product reviews, and sometimes some travel and adventure, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is totally free. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. So excited to have all of you back. I am back with the Etoile box. This is a boutique style box, guys. I have done tons of unboxings for this subscription box. And to get started faster, I will be leaving you guys all the details about the subscription box on the description box down below for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Woohoo! And this is for the month of August, guys. So here we go. I love their new box. Their new box is so pretty. I am loving it. So here we go, guys. So we have here, we have cheers. So we have the cozy kitchen. Let's see what else we have. We have a ton of stuff. So this is my information card. Woohoo! So everything that's in my box, it is listed here, guys. And I also have Be Our Guest. So it's a 10% off a product. I have something else here. And it is for another product that I believe is inside the box. Look how pretty this is package. I mean, I love how they always do this. This is such a cute box, guys. If you are not subscribed, really think about this one, because this is really an awesome subscription box. I love every time I receive their box. So let's go ahead and remove the sticker. And ooh, look at all this, guys. Super excited. Let me leave my information card here on the side because I am going to be needing it. So the first item, let's get this big box out the way. So this is from, let me move this out the way a little bit too. So this is a snacking cheese straws, and it is from Mama Geraldine's, and it's an aged cheddar cheese straws. Oh, I love, because I believe it always has like a snack for you guys, and I love it. So this one, let me see if I have any information. So it just says that it's a traditional Southern cheese straw made with 12 months aged Wisconsin cheddar. I cannot wait to try this. Okay, next up, let's see. We have some recipe cards. Oh, these are so cute. So these are going to be Poppy's recipe cards. Look how pretty they are, guys. Ooh, so it has directions. You have a place to write your title and the ingredients. This is so pretty. So these gorgeous Poppy recipe cards were created by the illustration and design company Favorite Story and are perfect for jotting down your favorite recipes in style. So pretty. I love them. Okay, next up. Ooh, look how pretty this is. So thankful. I love the color. So this is a gratitude tray, guys. So show your love and gratitude with one of these simple yet elegant trays. And I am loving it. So you either receive the one that said thankful or the one that said today's a good day for a good day. But I like this one. I'm loving this one. I love the color. Next up, we have a Farmer's Lavender Co. And this is a liquid hand soap, and it's a lavender chamomile. And this one is it's a soap. It has a soothing floral scent. This soap has an excellent lather and leaves hands feeling moisturized. And and it's enriched with coconut oil and argan oil. Ooh. So that's the size. Okay. Next up, we have something from Raw Frosted Cinnamon Honey. And this is from Savannah, Georgia. This one is going to be Girl Meets Dirt. So this is, it says here, makes the highest quality locally sourced organic fruit preserve and shrubs nature and careful craft can provide. Made in an old school style that emphasizes structure and pure rip naturally grown fruit. Ooh, this is so cool. I need to try this. So look at this guy. Oh, my husband's going to love this. He is really going to love this. Okay, that was my next item. My last item, guys. Look how pretty this is. So it says it's Minnie and Moon. And this is a tea towel bundle. Look how pretty it is. It has the bow, and I love how they coordinated like all the colors, like everything goes together. So it says here, this bundle includes 100 cotton Turkish tea hand towel and one USA made nail brush. Guys, let me tell you something. I am like obsessed with Turkish towels. I don't know what it is, but ever since I received the first one, it's like I don't want like anything else. I'm like obsessed with them. And the towels look gorgeous in the kitchen or bath and absorb beautifully for dishes or hands. The nail brush are made from wood and natural Tampico fibers. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And are ideal for scrubbing hands, nails, or dry brushing. So we have the brush. Look how pretty that brush is. There we go. So we have the brush. We can use them for our nails, for scrubbing. And I love how the moon and the stars are there. It's so pretty. And then we have the towel. Oops, I took everything off, right? The towel looks so nice. Look at this, guys. Oh, I love the Turkish towels. I'm like obsessed with them. Okay, so that is it, guys, for this box. I can go ahead and show you guys everything that was inside the box, which was the Minnie and Moon tea towel bundle. We received the thankful trade. We received the hand soap, the recipe cards, the raw honey, and the 8 cheddar cheese straws. This box is amazing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are able to subscribe. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.